She hangs around the boulevard. She's a local girl with local scars. She got home late, she got home late. She drank so hard, the bottle late. And she tried, and she tried, and she tried, and she tried. But nothing's clear in a bottle full of flies. So she takes, and she takes, takes and she takes. She understands when she gives it away. She says, man, I gotta get out of this town. Man, I gotta get out of this pain. Man, I gotta get out of this town. Out of this town. And out of LA. She's got a gun, she's got a gun. She got a gun, she called the lucky one. She left a note right by the phone. Don't leave a message, cause this ain't your home. And she cried, and she cried, and she cried, and she cried. Cried so long, her tears ran dry. She laughed, she laughed, laughed and she laughed. Cause she knew she was never coming back. She said, man, I'm gonna get out of this town. Man, I'm gonna get out of this pain. Man, I'm gonna get out of this town. Out of this town. Out of LA. It's all she loves, it's all she hates. It's all too much. And so she took a train, she took a train to a little old town without a name. She met a man, he took her in and fed her all the same bullshit again. Cause he lied, he lied, he lied, he lied. He lied like a salesman, selling flies. So she screamed and she screamed, screamed and she screamed. It's a different place, but the same old thing. It's all I love, it's all I hate. It's all too much for me to take. And I can't be sure just where it ends, or if the good life lies within. I hope so, you know? So I turned to that Alabama boy and I said, now I gotta get out of this town. Yeah, now I gotta get back on that train. Man, I gotta get out of this town, 'cause I'm out of my pain. You're so cute. So I'm going back to LA. I'm going back to I'm going back to LA. hey.